Tired of online dating with no success? Let's get you a profile that gets you a ton of likes. Hello, my name's Edward, and you probably don't know me, but I sure know what profiles do really well on dating apps. And not because I'm a magician or some sort of a mind reader, but because I know how the algorithm works on a dating app. And I'm here to share my knowledge with you. So let's see how online dating works. Right now, I'll show you how to register on Hily. First, I go and download my dating app, which is Hily, and it's this beautiful purple icon with a big Hily on it. Then I link my account. I'm choosing Facebook in this case, but you can use any of the options. It doesn't matter. As it says here, the app does not post on your social media, so don't worry about anything like getting a post on your feed saying something like, hey, I'm so desperate that I decided to register for a dating app. Nothing like that. Next, basic preferences. Who you are and whom you're looking for. So straight and simple, hard to make a mistake here. I'm straight, so I choose male, and I'm looking for female. Next, your name. Again, straight and simple. Please don't invent nicknames or short names or fun names or whatever you want to call them. Just your real name. So I'm Edward, I put down Edward, not your sweet vampire or Eddie Teddy. Anything like that just sounds silly and it looks really suspicious. Next, setting up my date of birth and turning on my location services so that I can find people that are nearby. And here, the photos, which is my favorite bit of the dating profile. If you ask me, it is the most important part of your dating profile. So you cannot go beyond this point unless you have uploaded at least one photo. However, I would recommend 3 or more. Profiles with 3 or more photos get twice as many interactions, and we want to play the odds. Look, photos really do mean a lot in dating profiles, and I really just need you to be picky. You have to select your 3 best photos out of everything else that you have in your camera roll. So I'm sure that's a huge challenge. So if you need some extra help, check out my next video. I will walk you through what the best photos are and what the worst photos are for a dating app. Okay, so what's next? My field of occupation is, let's say, arts and design. Why did I choose these? Because I'm a free artist and not a financial analyst with a master's degree. My recommendation here is don't play creative. It doesn't pay off. People mostly just look at your name and your photos. That's it. What about kids? I am not ready. Like, kids will be fine, but maybe one day, not right now. No diet, no specific dietary requirements for me at least. What I am looking for, the maximum age range and the location range so that more people can see me. And here it is, we're inside a dating app. And let's stop here. Let's evaluate what we've just done. Nothing extraordinary. I just described who I am. I revealed my real interests and posted my real name. I also paid really close attention to my photos. They are of high quality and show me in great shape. So that gives me all the advantages to be at the top of the competition for women's hearts. Feels not enough? Let me give you a bonus tip. So number 1, obviously, choose great photos. Number 2, use your real name. Number 3 is come up with a great bio. So something short, sweet, and consistent. Do not try to throw out every single joke that you've ever heard out here. It doesn't work. On Hily, I go to my profile and I click complete profile. So I choose fill in additional info. And after filling in my height, which is 7'1", I see what do others need to know about you. And here it is, the place, the one and only for your creativity. Go write and show others what's unique about you. So in my case, I would write something like, I'm a digital guru by day and a professional meme connoisseur by night, looking for my partner in crime. Also, fun fact, I can lick my elbow. Okay, but here, please be careful. My advice is don't share every single joke that you know and perhaps every single smart fact that you've heard. Keep it short and simple. Say things that are true and authentic. and anything that you don't feel comfortable sharing, please do not share. That's okay-ish. It probably needs a little bit more work, but I am sure that you can come up with a much better bio than me. So please share your ideas in the comments below, and good luck on your dating quest.